What could possibly be wrong with all these buzzards flying overhead? Oh, is it that pink truck? Oh, well, maybe it's all these cars. Maybe it's because the police didn't want all these cars. I don't know. Let's find out. Welcome to Road Odyssey, and if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow. Starting out with getting into downtown Sulphur Springs. This is the PDR or the dash cam from my C8 Corvette, just showing you what it's like to go around the square. So just take it easy when you go out to the Sulphur Springs Cars and Coffee. Now, here I'm at the First Baptist Church right there in front, turning down the side road. The entries into the parking lot are not really great for low cars. So I tend to go around the east side of the church and come in that way from a separate parking lot where the entries are really low and smooth, and then just noodle around back into the main parking lot where everybody else is. And catching up with all the other folks who had already gotten there by about 8 a.m. So it takes about 30 minutes, maybe even an hour for the parking lot to begin to fill up. So this was at about 8:20 or 8:30 when I arrived. The gentleman walking towards me is Scott Singleton. Super nice guy, and he does go out of his way to try to meet with everybody who shows up. So pay respect to Scott. He is a very nice man. You will find the Sulphur Springs Cars and Coffee events listed on Facebook. Cars and Coffee Sulphur Springs. That's what you're looking for. The next one is August 26th. That's a Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Time for a montage of the cars that showed up. I really appreciate everybody who did go out to Scott's Cars and Coffee in Sulphur Springs. All of y'all are wonderful people. I really had a fantastic time talking to everyone. And at this Cars and Coffee, you will get folks from Mount Pleasant, Paris, Cooper, Celeste, maybe, just all around. I mean, people drive in for about 40 minutes to an hour away, sometimes even further away than that. So it is well worth checking this out if you want to be in the area. It's also a nice city to visit. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Just a few pictures to show you that these really are very nice people and they love to chit chat about anything and everything. Although the car meet's over with, still have a few things for you. Number one, Facebook. I do have my Facebook page where y'all can follow all the details of what's going on behind the scenes and possibly other events and stuff going on. Now, to continue this story, things didn't end in Sulphur Springs. At least 7 or maybe 10 cars, we decided, well, I was invited to traipse along with the gang to go to Cumby, Texas, which was further west down Highway 30. So here's a little bit of that. We filed in line, got on the highway, and, well, let's see what happens next. I really dislike being behind hay trucks or when they pass me by. They're such a mess. Hey, an impromptu autocross. So either a farmer or somebody had a bunch of old bread, fell off the back of the truck, spread all over the highway. And so, yeah, we had a little bit of fun. Just nearly caused a couple of accidents. So anyway, we kept going to Cumby. In Cumby, they every now and then will have what they call cars and cops. And it's basically downtown Cumby at the Blackjack Grove Park. In this instance, they did have catering. Didn't catch the name. The gentleman in the black shirt and shades is the chief of police in Cumby, and he also has his own dragster that he takes out to the strips and really enjoys car events. Here's his Blue Thunder Camaro drag car. The Cumby Cars and Cops was really nice. I was really happy to meet up with some other people as we all joined together there in downtown. It was really, really nice. Being at the park, there was plenty of shade and accommodating seating area. So that was very nice. We were able to get out of the heat. And I also enjoyed not just meeting up with folks like Russell Gray and people from even still Greenville and other cities around, but also a couple of guys from nearby whose pickup trucks they take out to the drag strips. We're going to watch these two pickup trucks that are pushing 800 to 1,000, maybe more horsepower. We'll watch them as they give us a little cold start and rumble away. And with that, I want to tell y'all, please relax, take it easy. I'll see you later. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Rumble, please follow. See you later. Bye.